stocks investing with Confluence strategies. So 5 years before my book Confluence, not coincidence, I launched the first of my Confluence signal generators, which was the xBrat algo. Now, in the article attached to this, it explains how that works in layman's terms. But what I want to go through now are some examples of how to use that confirmation of directional flow to invest in different types of strategies with a few different stocks. So let's have a look. So first of all, this is AMD. No-brainer, but was it a no-brainer in 2016 when the first signal came down here? Okay, with a price in and around $4.62. Okay, with a 6-star buy from the xBrat algo and all 6 time frames green, and we'll have a closer look at that on the next slide. And then we don't get another signal until May 2018, another couple of years. This time entry just above that, all that sort of resistance down here where the cursor is, so 1613, and that gave me average holding position of 1037. So this is a weekly chart for AMD, so there's no sort of really stressful decisions to make. The algorithm identifies the strength of that directional flow, and when we get 12 out of 12, it gives you a 6-star buy signal at this point. And then we just keep going north all the way until we get to this sort of position. And I'm going to zoom in on this point. And some strategies with investing, you would, if you see a really sort of strong indication, and this time we're using the manager to understand those confluences between price action and volume. If you see a strong indication, then it's good to take the profit and wait for a pullback. And then we're going to look at another stock and another situation there. So then alternatively, you could go quite conservative and see if you can ride the pullback, get that first 5-star signal, then you've got to get out anyway. Or then, we get the 6-star buy signal in March 2023, and we have potential to take profit up at those highs there. And again, we're going to talk about those in more detail one by one. But this is AMD from 2016 to 2024. Long period of time, not a lot of signals, but they are signals to take note of in an investment strategy. So let's reduce the size of my head. There we go. Put it at the top there. So on the left here we have the April 2016 signal. You see on the bias depth heat map here, this is the confirmation on the swing trading setting for the bias depth heat map. So you've got the signal, but you've also got the confirmation on that bias depth heat map that this is a good long signal. Look at the 5-star before, we weren't quite all six time frames there, so that signal wasn't taken. Then a further signal here in May 2018. We get another xBrat algo 6-star buy, so all 12 out of 12 confluences are all basically indicating that the directional flow is strong in this particular stock at this time. Sensibly, we'd wait until it gets through this resistance, which has really caused some problems in the previous 12 months to this. So 1613 entry, and obviously then we get that average holding position of 1037. So there's the entry, there's all of the 6 time frames green, and again the same here in 2018. Very, very simple rules, and just one of those longer term investment strategies that you can use the xBrat algo for. So then we have options now when we get this this move at the top here. So remember, these are weekly candles, okay? At this point here, this big red candle here engulfs the body of this previous week. It has more volume the previous week, because I know that because the manager's painting it in red and not in cyan. So cyan is a down candle, but it has less volume than the previous candle. So this is what we call a distribution candle, okay? Distribution candle, so there's more sellers, and the little dot above the cyan dot means it's higher than average volume. This is the first time it's happened on all the way up that bullish move. So this is the aggressive exit around 140. Remember, our average holding position is about $10, so it's a really good position. Or, you know, so that's that aggressive exit that you'll see on that week it closed, and there's a potential for that to come down. So you'd probably take a profit, you know, 10, 20 cents, even, you know, something like that below that low of that week. And then we get that first 5-star xBrat algo signal, which is a sign that this is going to go down for some time. So that would be your alternate exit, more conservative, and wait for that $90. So this is the first instance here where we get the average holding position down here is 10. Just over 10, and we get out with that aggressive exit there to say, look, hey, I've been in this since 2016, it's now 2022, I'm at 1,286% profit, I'm going to be aggressive, I'm going to get out. Alternatively, there are other options like we've just discussed when we get that 5-star sell signal, and that's worth around 780% profit. So it's not bad, it's not the end of the world. But to be more aggressive and use those confluences that the manager uses on behavior to understand that actually this is probably a good time to get out. I'll take that huge profit and then wait until that pullback is finished and I get another signal, which we do in 2023. So at this point in March 23, we get a 6-star buy signal, again after that big long pullback, protracted pullback. Again, you've not got a crystal ball. You can't say how long that's going to happen. That's going to last. We get all 6 time frames green on the buy step heat map. So we've got the confirmation there. We go long, just over $100. Then what we get is we get this massive rejection of the highs with this spinning top doji with higher than average volume. It's green, which has got more volume than the previous candle, which was green, which was more volume than the previous candle. So this was a very high volume rejection of the highs. This is an indication it's going to come back down, and again, weekly candle, it does come back down quite a long way. So this is a 95% sort of gain, if you like, from March 23 to March 24. That's not a bad gain. You double your money. Or you could still be in it. Right now there is no xBrat algo signal, the manager ribbon is still green, and right now it seems to be basing and finding support. To be honest, if you're an Elliottian, this is a wave 4 pullback and we're looking for a 5th wave move to beat that high of 230, but that's a different strategy. So that's one way of using that. The main thing I want to get across here is that the 6-star buy has to have 12 confluences out of 12 all aligned to that. All of those tributaries are feeding in with force to say that that river, that directional flow of that river is really strong and the momentum's going. And that's what we use that xBrat algo for. So let's look at another example here. Okay, let's have a look at First Solar, okay, on the weekly. So we're going to go back and we're going to look at an averaging type of investment scenario where we're just going to hold an ad when the xBrat algo tells us. So when the xBrat algo tells us there's a 5 or a 6-star, and we've got lots of directional momentum, that flow, we're just going to add to that position. So in 2017 we got the 5 and the 6-star buy. You see the red line down at the bottom here? This is actually the IPO price and the lows. Okay, so this is very, very important for me. When we've got a line in the sand and we're buying not far from there, this is a good sign that actually I am prepared not to sell or get out of this trade. I'm prepared to look for it long term and start adding to this position. As long as it doesn't go below that original IPO price, okay, or that massive support zone, if you know, and there will be one for all stocks. So we get this first entry in July 2017 around 52.77. We go pretty much sideways, but we do not break this IPO and these lows here, all-time lows. Then we get another 6-star buy. So all the stars are aligned. All of a sudden now we're getting more directional flow to the upside, and we enter at 65.16. So we add to our position, giving us an average holding position of 58.97. Then we go along all the way to 2022, July 2022. So it's amazing this. Look, we're getting all of these July entries at the moment. So we get another entry here at 105.20. Week closes, really strong 6-star buy here, and all 6 time frames are green on the buy-stepped heat map. Everything's good, and we now get an average holding position of 82.01. So we're starting to creep up in our average holding price, but the momentum is going well with this. So we get a really big move up here. There isn't any bearish engulfing with higher than average volume. There isn't a spinning top doji rejecting those highs. So there's no reason for us to actually get out of this one. We do get a 5-star sell signal at this point. But again, remember, my line in the sand is down here. I'm looking longer term with this new technology company, with solar, and you know, that's a decision you're going to make for every stock depending on what sector it is. So we pull back. We now have then a 5-star buy signal again, slightly earlier, 11 out of 12, but again the train's starting to leave the station. We're starting to get those confluence together. Those tributaries are really feeding into this main river, and that directional flow is starting to go up again. So 173.31, we add some more above that weekly close of that weekly candle before. So now we have an average holding price of 127.68. Currently, we're at $260. So really, really great trade. Okay, you don't know what's going to happen to the right, but you do know the only time you're going to get these 5- and 6-star buy signals from the xBrat algo is when you've got that confluences leading that direct, showing you that the directional flow is starting to gain some really strong momentum. What about new stocks? Let's have a look at Coinbase. Okay, this is the listing on the left here, and this is the high after the listing at this point at 430.70. This is the low since the listing around about the beginning of 2023. No signals at all until just recently, and I took these actually. I think I put it on Stock Twits or something like that, and I think I've done a video somewhere. And if the guys can find it, they can attach it to the description on this video. 5-star buy signal. Okay, November 2023, we get a really great signal here. All 6 time frames are green, so we've got signal, we've got confirmation, and our my first entry was 121.58. No real signs from that manager that this is really going to relax and get down. Crypto's doing really well at the moment, so you know, at this moment in time, I'm waiting for another signal to add to that position. Okay, so only one. This is a reasonably new stock. This only listed, I think, in 22. So you know, it's a reasonably new stock. About being patient. I'm not an IPO guy. Don't like it. What I like to see is a confluence. I like to see momentum in the directional flow. Once that starts to happen, that's when I'm going to buy. That's when I'm going to invest. And again, that's that line in the sand down at the bottom there, and those highs at the top there. So we've got a big region of price to get through. So this is the confluence strategy. Stocks investing with confluence strategy is very important. So remember, the xBrat algo is part of this. There will be some links down below for the what we call the Confluence Trading Strategy Lite for the xBrat algo, available on lots of different platforms. Really great for stocks investing here. It's about being patient, start to build a portfolio as you get those signals. If you're looking at 50 stocks, you'll start to build that portfolio as those signals start to come in, and it's a great opportunity for stocks investing with Confluence, really, and that's where it all came about. And please check out my book, Confluence, Not Coincidence. I waited to publish it until all the technology was available so I could actually show it in the book and give real examples in the book with the technology that allows you to use a Confluence strategy. So check out the links below and check out the book. Thank you very much.